Want to stop people from opening your iPhone camera while your iPhone is locked? This is especially useful if kids keep grabbing your phone and accidentally taking photos. Here is how to disable both camera shortcuts from the lock screen. First, tap and hold your lock screen. Then tap Customize. Now tap the camera icon in the bottom right corner and remove it. You can leave the space empty or replace it with another shortcut that you actually use more often. When you're finished, tap Done. That takes care of the camera button. Now let's disable the swipe gesture as well. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Camera. Go all the way to the bottom of the page. Find Lock Screen Swipe to open camera and turn it off. That's it. Now nobody can quickly access the camera from your lock screen using the camera button or by swiping left. Your iPhone will stay a little more private and you won't have to worry about random photos filling up your camera roll. If you found this tip helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and share this video with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching.